Today we're cooking up fresh salmon caught last Friday out in the ocean. And I believe these are coho. There may be two Chinook fillets in here. These are salmon tails, bone-free, kid-friendly. And I just put a little bit of sea salt on there. These two I'm eating. I like pepper, so a little bit of pepper on there. Skin on. Real simple. Medium. I do not have it on medium right now. We'll put it on medium. Get it up to about 350, maybe 400, and throw those out there for about, these are pretty thin, gosh, 10 to 12 minutes. We'll take those off at about 125, 130, and they'll be perfect. We'll check them in about 6 minutes. Pretty good, but still needs a few more minutes. Alright, it's been another few minutes, so total about 8 minutes now. Let's do another eyeball check real quick. Temp check on the, that is Chinook. That has to be Chinook. I could be way off though. It does look like Chinook. Ooh, that's getting closer, guys. 124. So yeah, those thicker pieces back there are definitely going to require some more time. Oh yeah, you don't want to overcook it. Overcooked salmon does not taste good. So we're going to put this thick. This must be that one of those big Chinook. We're going to put that right there. This one might be overdone. I did forget to mention, we do not usually flip these. I just cook them on the grill. Skin side down, that's it. But I am going to flip this one just for fun to see what it does. Skin's starting to come off here. Just peel that right off. I just want to get grill marks on it, kind of like a steak. Alright, I just wanted to get a couple grill marks on there. Whoa, that is delicious. You can see these pieces here, that's a coho silver. And this little bit more pale, but still pink and delicious. That's a Chinook salmon. Get off there, fly. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.